Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this 19-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver set. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up. We're going to try it outside and I'll show you what it looks like. This set is a multi-tool with several different bit options. We have the slotted Phillips, hex, spanner, tri-wingen, and triangle, giving us a lot of different options for the most commonly used bits for a wide range of different repair tasks. Plus, I love that I can store all the bits neatly inside the tool itself, making it portable and space-saving to be able to take wherever we go for on-the-go repairs or to take in our toolkits as well. This tool is made of high-quality S2 steel bits that is durable. Plus, it has a comfortable handle that is also non-slip, giving us a comfortable grip even if we're using it for a long time. Plus, the bits have a magnetic tip that helps us securely hold the screws and the bits in place. The ratcheting mechanism is also a great feature for effortlessly screwing things, and it has 3 different positions: forward, reverse, or locked. Plus, it is great to use for all kinds of different purposes, whether to repair electronics, furniture, bicycles, cars, or household appliances. If you are looking for a versatile, portable screwdriver set for all kinds of purposes, whether for yourself or to give as a gift for professionals or DIY enthusiasts in your life, this is definitely worth looking into.